Namaste faculty members and viewers. This is our project eSales services, and first of all I will introduce the technology we have used. Our front end is NetBeans IDE 7.20 and back end is MySQL Workbench. First of all, we are going to show you the admin side of our project. This is the first login page. Here the one of our admin is logged in. This is the home page of our project, and these are the three modules of our project which we have included in our project. That is SCM, CRM and HR. This is the product details page. The details we enter about the product will be fetched in our database dynamically. And this the user is entering his product details. Now once we click add product button, all these details will be added in our product detail table, and in this table we can update and delete the entry. As we see, the last entry is the new entry. This is the update form where we need to update our product, and this user is updating his product details, and this updated product detail is highlighted in this table, as you can see. Now we can also delete the product from the same table. Now let's move forward to our client side. This is our client side page. Here client can log in and register as well. This you can see the validations we have kept. Now this one of our client is registering. He is logged in, and he can click here to update his orders. If he or she forgot his password, then he can also register with the email address. And once we click the send button, this mail will send to the registered email, and there you can see the link which the user can use to update his or her password. So this is the link which user can use, and here user can enter the new password and re-enter the new password. Here his password is updated. Here we conclude our project. The work of our admin side is to insert, update and delete the product details, to maintain the attendance of all the employees, and on the basis of that attendance, and admin can generate the salary slip for that employees. The work of our client side is to maintain the order invoices of the customers. As you can see, we have given least priority to our designing part in our project, but as we come over with all the functionalities, we will surely complete it. Thank you all the viewers and respected faculty members for watching this presentation. Hope you all liked it. Thank you once again.